Hello students, today we are going to have solution for exercise 2.5 question 6 to 10. So we are starting with question 6. Solve the linear equation m minus m minus 1 upon 2 equal to 1 minus m minus 2 upon 3. The first task here, we will collect all the m terms on one side. See here, this is the m term, first term is the m, second also having m, and third, this right hand side, this term having m in it. So first step, we will shift this term to the left hand side. So sign will change. Here it is minus, so this sign will become plus. So starting with this, first term as it is, m we have written as m only, minus m minus 1 upon 2 as it is, no change in it, equal to, not equal to, here we are shifting this term to the right hand side, so minus sign will become plus m minus 2 upon 3 equal to 1 as it is, 1 on the right hand side as it is we have written. This first term m, we can write it as m upon 1. There will be no change in its value. Now see all the denominators 1, 2 and 3. This is LCM of 1, 2 and 3 will be 6. So now LCM we have taken as 6. Now see denominator, first term denominator is 1. 1 table 6 is coming, yes, 1 6 is 6, so 6 into numerator m, it will be 6m. Similarly here, minus, denominator is 2, so 2, 3 is a 6, 3, this 3 will be multiplied with m minus 1. Just take care of putting up the bracket, otherwise there will be change in sign, plus. Similarly here, denominator is 3, LCM is 6, 3 table 6 is coming, 3 to the 6, so 2 multiplied with the entire term, m minus 2 equal to right hand side, so as it is 1. So next step, this 6 will be cross multiplied with 1, so it will become, right hand side will become 1 into 6, that is 6. Okay, that is about next step. Now solving this entire term, we have to open up the brackets. So opening up the bracket, what we will do, 6m as it is we will write, and here distributive property we have to use for 3 bracket m minus 1. So 6m as it is we have written, 6m as it is, minus 3 will be multiplied with m, so it will become minus 3m, and after that 3 will be multiplied with minus 1. So see outside the bracket it is minus sign, so plus will become minus and minus will become plus. So it was plus m, so it has become minus 3m. It was minus 1, so it will become plus 3. So take care of sign, plus. Similarly 2 into m will be 2m, minus sign, 2 into 2 will be 4, minus 4, equal to right hand side we have multiplied 1 into 6, that is coming out as 6. So 6m minus 3m plus 3 plus 2m minus 4. Now all the see, some are variables and some are constants. So constants we can bring them to one side. So 6m minus 3m plus 2m, these 3 terms are variables. So 6m minus 3m plus 2m, and this numbers 3 and minus 4 can be shifted on the right side. So while shifting, 3 will become minus 3 and minus 4 will become plus 4. Now here you can see it in the screen. 6m minus 3m plus 2m equal to 6 plus 4 minus 3. Now 6m minus 3m will be 3m, 3m plus 2m, that is 5m, so LHS we are getting 5m, RHS 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 minus 3 is 7. we are getting 5m equal to 7. Now to find out the value of m, it will be 5 will come down, it will become 7 upon 5. So m value we are getting it as 7 upon 5. That's our answer. Now coming to question 7. Question 7 here, again distributive property we will use it. So how to use distributive property? 3 will be multiplied with t, so it will become 3t. Minus sign as it is. 3 will be multiplied with 3, so it will become 3 minus sign, so 3 3 is a 9, so it will be becoming minus 9. Then 5, here also distributive property will apply. 5 will be multiplied with 2t, it is becoming 10t. Then 5 is multiplied with 1, so plus 5 into 1, that is 5. So this term we are getting. This which we have property we have used distributive property. Then now here distributive property we have applied. Now see, all the like terms we will collect here. This we are getting here. And now here variables are also there and numbers are also there. So what we have done, minus 9 we have kept here as it is. 3t we have brought this side, so 3t became minus 3t. 10t we have brought this side, so it has become, no, 10t so is same only, we are not changing 10t. T terms we are bringing on the right side, and it becomes 10t minus 3t. This plus 5 we can shift, so plus 5 we are shifting to this side, it is becoming minus 5. So minus 9 minus 5 equal to 10t minus 3t. Now minus 9 minus 5 having the same sign, so sum we will do. So 9 plus 5 is 14, and that same sign will come, so it is coming what? Minus 14. Minus 14 equal to 10t minus 3t, that is 7t. So in order to get the value of t, we will bring 7 down. So minus 14 upon 7, it will come like this. Minus 14 upon 7 equal to t. So in solving, there will be minus 2 equal to t. So t value is minus 2. Right, this solution is over. Question 8. Question 8 also, now distributive property need to be applied. Different brackets you can see. The first thing is that brackets we are going to open. So first thing, brackets opening, and then all the like terms collecting and solving them. So as you can see it here, first is 15y minus 4. So 15 multiplied with y becoming 15y. Then 15 multiplied with minus 4, so minus 60 is coming. Like this we can open. But see, when it is outside, it is minus sign, then be careful. Here see, outside the bracket it is minus 2. So be careful. So with y it will be minus sign. When you open the bracket, plus will become minus and minus will become plus. So y, so first 2 will be multiplied with y, it will become 2y. And earlier it was positive, so now it is becoming minus 2y. Then this 2 will be multiplied with 9. And minus 9 it was there, so now it will become plus. So 2 into 9, that is 18. Take care of sign. Now next bracket we will open. 5 multiplied with y becoming 5y. 5 multiplied with 6, it is becoming plus 30. Now multiplication over all the brackets we have opened. Now collecting the like terms. Now see here, all the y terms and numbers are there. So let's see, 15y minus 2y, it will be 13y. 13y plus 5y, that is 18y. Easy to do. Okay. Now see the number part. Number part, it is minus 60 plus 80, 18 plus 30. So 30 plus 18, so easy to do. 30 plus 18 is what? 48. So minus 60 plus 48. Now different sign is there, so difference we will find out. So 60 minus 48, that is 12. And sign of larger number, so minus 12 we are getting. So see, next step we are getting 18y minus 12. Now minus 12 we are shifting to the right side, so it is becoming plus 12. So 18y equal to 12. Now to get the value of y, 12 upon 18. This is simplified with 2 table, 2 6 are 12, 2 9 are 18. Again can be simplified by using 3 table, 3 2 are 6, 3 3 are 9. So y value is coming out what? 2 upon 3. Now moving over to question 9. So question 9 here, again see here few brackets you can see. The first task is to open up the bracket by using the distributive property. So let's see here this term first we will try to solve. 3 into 5z minus 7. So 3 multiplied with 5z, it is becoming 15z. Minus sign coming. Then 3 multiplied with 7, it is becoming 21. So this way remaining terms also we will solve. Just we have to take care when it is outside the bracket minus sign. So just remember to change the sign. So 2 into 9z, it is becoming 18z. Earlier plus sign was there with it. Now it is minus sign, minus 18z. Then 2 multiplied with 11. So 2 multiplied with 11, it will get 22. Earlier it was minus, so now it is becoming plus 22. Similarly, right hand side we can open the bracket. 4 into 8z is coming 32z, minus 4 into 13, it is coming 52, minus 17. This we have opened up the brackets. Now all the like terms we can solve. So like terms how to solve? 15z minus 18z. So 15 minus 18 is what? Different sign is there, difference we will find out. So 18 minus 15 is 3 and sign of the larger number, so it is minus 3z. And minus 21 plus 22 can be seen as 22 minus 21. So we are getting what? Minus 3z plus 1. Now right hand side, 32z minus 52 minus 17. Minus 52 minus 17, same sign. So sum we will do. 52 plus 17 is 69 and 69 and the same sign will come, that is minus 69. Coming to the next step, we can shift minus all the zz terms we can collect together. So what we can do, 1 minus 69 we can shift here. It will become 1 plus 69 equal to 32z. As it is, shifting minus 3z on the opposite side, it will become plus 3z. Okay, so 1 plus 69 is what? We are getting it as 70 equal to 35z. To get the value of z, 35 we are bringing down. So 70 upon 35, it will give the value of z. So 35 2 is 70. So 2 is the value of z. So this is question 9. Coming to question 10, which is the last question of this exercise. Here also few brackets you can see. The method remains same, है ना? तो ठीक है, but here just one change is there. It is in the decimal form. Fine, no problem. So first term see 0.25 into 4f minus 3. So 0.25 will be multiplied with 4f. Here you can see. Then minus sign. Then 0.25 into 3, this we are getting. Opposite side also, right hand side we will open, multiply and we will open. So 0.05 into 10f, you can see it here, minus sign. Then 0.05 into 9. So now opening part is over. Now multiplication part is there. So 0.25 into 4. So see, multiplication is easy. It is 0.25 into 4. So see, if without decimal we are considering, the number is just 25. 25 fours are what? It is 100. And how many digits are there after decimal? See, 2 digits are there. So in answer also 2 digits we will put up the decimal in such a way so that 2 digits are there after decimal. So it is coming 1.00. So 1.00 is equal to what? 1 only. So see here we are getting what? 1.00f. Similarly, 3 into 0.25, 3 into 25 is what? 75. So 75, how many decimals are there? 2 digits are there after decimal, so it will be 0.75. Now 0.05 into 10f. So if we are not considering decimal, it is just 5 into 10. 5 into 10 is what? 500. 500, and how many digits after decimal? 2. So it is 5.00. So 5 into 10 will be what? It will be 50. 5 into 10 will be what? 50. and how many digits we want after decimal? It will be 2 digits. So here putting the decimal, so it is coming 0.50, which can be written as 0.5f. Now 9 into 0.05, so 9 into 0.05 we can consider just as 9 into 5. 9 into 5 is 45. 2 digits we want after decimal, so it is 0.45, that is 0.45. So here 0.45 we are getting. Hope multiplication part is clear. Now collecting, see, 1.00f, which they have just written as f, minus this 0.5f they have brought on the left hand side, so it has become minus 0.45f. Now minus 0.45 as it is, minus 0.75 we have brought on the right side, sign is changed, minus became plus. Okay, now 1 minus on the left hand side, it is 1f minus 0.5f. 1f minus 0.5f. 1 minus 0.5 is what? 0.5 only, and minus 4.45 plus 0.75. So here see, opposite sign is there, so different sign is there, so difference we will find out. How to find out the difference? 0.75 minus, it is what? 0.45 minus 0.45. So subtraction we have to do 0.30, and sign of larger number is there, so 0.30 we are getting. So 0.5f equal to 0.30. In order to get the value of f, what we will do? F will be equal to 0.30 upon 0.5. Okay. So now decimal creating problem. In order to remove decimal, what we will do? Here we can multiply by 10. So here also we can multiply by 10. It will become what? 30 into 10 is what? 300. How many digits after decimal? 2. So it is 3.00 upon what it is? 0.5 into 10, that is 5. So it is coming what? 3 upon 5. So you can leave the solution as 3 upon 5, or you can do division. Now 3 upon 5, we will see how to divide. 3 divided by 5. 5 zeros are 0, remainder 3, decimal here, 0 here, 5 6 are 30. So answer what we are getting? 0.6. So f value is 0.6. By this your exercise 2.5 is over. Need to be solved in your CWs. Happy learning.